Welcome back to our channel 1 to Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Bank of Scotland account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel 1 to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to search for a Bank of Scotland login just like this. And after you search for it, the first option, click on it where it says login and make sure it takes you to bankofscotland.co.uk. That is the official website for Bank of Scotland. Now once you're in this website, where it says username, enter the username of your account. And where it says password, you want to enter the password of your account. And after you enter a correct username and correct password, click and continue and you should be able to log in into your Bank of Scotland's online banking account. And if you forgot your username or your any login details like your password, you can click on this option in order to recover them as well. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel 1 to Step. I'll see you guys next time.